I said it. I didn't notice that was a cop. Yeah! Karma cop! Dude!
The language is different, but some of the lyrics are different.
Tengo intención de momento de jugar. En teoría, hasta donde yo sé, porque lo que pregunta Lolito es sí, tipo técnico. Pues soy más técnico todavía. Pues, pero.
Bye.
Statesman era that I used to be, where I would hang on, like, oh, get 3 drives, 3 touchdowns, and this is a game.
Get off your phone. What the hell? Put your phone down. Oh shit. What is your problem?
Wait. Look at him.
Careful. I'm gonna take a picture. It's been like 3 or 4 days.
So I almost missed the turn.
Exit the traffic circle onto Homer Drive, then use the left lane to take the Alaska 1 South ramp.
Okay, go.
And then up and around back to Athens, which sucks. Oh, hang on.
Person uses their what are you doing? What you cutting me off for? What are you?
So before made it to North America, except that there were never any
that way.
What the?
Vanished. That petrified person is as foreign to me as a stranger, and it's impossible for me to imagine what it must have been.
Worse than evil by nature, brother.
They don't have any big things on top, but they do have all the small things. Yes! Oh, we're back, baby. What's up, everyone? I'm going to take that opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Will Campos. I play Henry.
Bro! What the? Built up these earthen mounds that they could hide. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's see you dump.
Coming up uncensored. Doesn't really worry me.
Christ.
For 7 days.
What the?
I'm actually the pulling hands in it.
I'm going to put the inflatable in my room.
Oh my god. Did you have an accident? That car went down there.
Los Angeles, broadcasting with 50,000 radios listen to KFR.
Man.
Oh! Oh!
What the war was doing to this country. He was an intriguing man in this period, almost as if there were a split personality caught between two loyalties, and more, caught between two eras. In those days, he could still be part of the planning of the bombing, but be a very different man immediately.
Oh, they can take a picture or something? Like
Yeah. Like a cadaver, they just have a cadaver too.
this guy just decided, now I'm going that way. He kind of went round the roundabout and still went that way.
In 200 meters, slight right.
Dude!
Focus, and that's why I'm trying to preach every game is a championship opportunity so that you don't all of a sudden have to get up for Monday Night Football. But it'll be special. It'll be great. I encourage our guys to take in the moments, take in the opportunities, look around, hear the sounds, feel it, feel all of it, and still get back to our execution.
Left.
I get a little bit Genghis Khan. Don't want you to get it on with nobody else but me.
Take exit 9 on the right, onto West Gordon Road towards University.
Use the LX, you know, a lot of people get nervous in elevators, but sometimes going...
What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Go, bro! Jesus Christ!
With gloves. Learn more about harvesting safely and legally at LAS.com. There's also, that's also the place where you can grab the latest in bubbles, by the way. Highs in the low 70s today. Tomorrow, we're like 10 degrees cooler with highs right around 60. We also have a chance of rain. Looking ahead to the weekend, a couple degrees warmer starting Friday and through the weekend with highs in the mid-60s. Lows tonight in the 40s. This is LAS 89.3. It is 2:06.
There is something many drivers carry with them that never appears on the dashboard. Urgency.not. Because of an emergency in it, because time is truly running out, but because the mind believes it is. This drive begins like many others. A destination ahead, a schedule in mind, and the quiet thought I need to get there. Faster, nothing feels reckless. Speed is only slightly higher. Decisions are only slightly tighter. Patience is only slightly thinner. But on the road, slightly is often enough. As urgency builds, margins disappear. Following distance shortens. Lane changes become more frequent. Gaps that once felt too small now feel acceptable. The driver feels in control. The rush feels justified, but the road does not recognize urgency. Traffic does not move faster because someone is late. Physics does not adjust to schedules. In this moment, traffic slows unexpectedly. The rushed mindset leaves no buffer, no space. No time. Brakes are applied. Hard reaction is instant but insufficient. The collision is not caused by speed alone, but by the belief that there was no time to spare. Dashcam footage reveals this clearly. It shows how the need to hurry changes awareness and turns ordinary situations into emergencies. Most drivers don't realize that urgency is contagious. One rush decision pressures others to react. Traffic tightens. Risk multiplies. This is why calm driving matters. Leaving earlier creates space. Accepting delay preserves safety. Patience restores control. This video is not a warning against motion but against unnecessary haste, because the road rewards drivers who understand one simple truth. You never save time by rushing, you only borrow risk. Slow down when you feel pressured. Create distance when you feel late. And remember, no destination is worth arriving injured or not arriving at all.
He did the same thing.